transfer devices from not removable. The first one is pencil, in this case HB. Then the carbon paper. I use transfer with light method. Place design under the fabric and trace. Lines are visible but easy to cover with thread. Sometimes eraser can remove these lines. Better check it on the small piece of fabric. What's with the black fabric and light method? We can't see through the fabric on the table and we can see a pencil on the fabric. But you can tape design on the window and try to see through the fabric. It's usually enough to see the design. Not through the camera, I see it even better. If you had tablet or light pad, it may help too. Carbon paper. It has shiny side and gray side. To trace with carbon paper, take a piece of fabric. Great if you iron it before and tape it to the table. Unfortunately, I don't have an iron. Place the carbon paper shiny side on the fabric, then place the printed sketch design. Tape it too. And trace. For straight lines, use a ruler. To understand which lines you already traced, use colored pen or pencil. The visibility of the lines depends on how hard you press on fabric. Harder means you'll see the line more clear. What's with the black fabric? I found red and blue tracing carbon paper. Brand called Burda, it is used for dressmaking. It also has shiny and not shiny side. I'm making the same steps, fabric, paper, design. I see the lines good, but it's hard to make it visible on camera. If you press harder, the line is much more visible. I'll try to remove lines from fabric. After cold water, the lines from Burda paper disappear. After soap and rubbing, lines from carbon paper become less visible. This Burda paper is hard to find. Carbon paper available in stationery stores. Tailors chalk in holder by KOH-I-NOOR. The package says it's not 100% removable. It comes with chalk in several colors, so I drew a few lines in different colors. I think the lines look good. I tried to remove them with water, and it worked. But the package says it's not 100% removable. Heat erasable pens. Pilot friction ball heat erasable pen and heat erasable pens from Amazon. They end very fast and come with refills. Line is visible and thin. A line from this pen is thicker. White pen is the same. It's thick and pretty visible. Easy to erase with hair dryer or iron, although you can still see some ghost lines. Little bit of ghost lines too. Lines from this pen may reappear in cold weather or under direct sun. I placed them into the freezer for 5 minutes and some lines are back. You can erase them again with heat. And to get rid of the ghost lines, use ink remover. For example, Amodex. You apply it, wait and rinse with water. Erasable pen. Starts to disappear in a couple of hours. Water-soluble pens. Brand Gamma. One of them with white ink, others with blue. Lines are pretty thick. White pen is out of ink. More water-soluble and fully removable options. Water-soluble stabilizer. You draw, transfer on it. Sticky water-soluble stabilizer. This one is called Magic Paper, brand DMC. You draw, trace it or print on it in printer, peel it off and stick onto the fabric. I cut small pieces to show how it works. You can draw on it, the lines will disappear with the stabilizer. Then you embroider through both layers. Same with non-sticky stabilizer. I usually attach it with pins or running stitch. And removing everything with water. To remove it completely, place the fabric into the water. I was surprised to see air erasable pen disappear too. After placing them in water, all pieces were gone. To sum up, from not removable to 100% removable. Not removable, carbon paper and pencil. Removable but lines may reappear. Heat erasable pens. To get rid of ghost lines, use ink remover. KOH-I-NOOR Tailors chalk. I remove lines easily with water, although the package says it's not 100% removable. Burda tracing carbon paper. Removed easily, package says to be careful. Water-soluble air erasable pens. Easy to remove but line is thick. Water-soluble stabilizer. Sticky magic paper and not sticky stabilizer. Easy to remove with water. Advantage of magic paper is that you can place it in the printer and print the design. The main thing to keep in mind: if you're not sure if it will work with your fabric, try on the little piece of fabric first. Good luck and see you in the next videos!